Students, in the previous class we have seen the meaning of the variation and its importance. So here let's see one more time the definition of the variation, that is the differences in the characters among the individuals of the species. The differences in the characters. So the different characters are the traits among the individuals of the same parents. So we can see so many differences are there between only one family members. So the family members who are actually the offsprings of the same parents. So suppose if you are four or two or three brothers or four brothers to your parents, or if you are two brothers and one sister, or two sister and one brother, commonly we can see the family like this. So all the brothers and sisters we don't have any exact kind of the characters. So we can see more and more variations or differences between us. So that may be the color difference, or it may be the height difference, or it may be the difference in the hair color, or it may be the difference in the eyes colors, or it may be the difference in the shape of the nose, or it may be the other differences that we can identify in our body. So we can see the attached earlobes, or some are having the free earlobes. So so many kinds of characters we can see. So all these characters we can get only from the same parents. So we are produced by the same parents. After all, we have more and more differences between us. So this is nothing but the variations. So the importance of the variations is or the great advantage of the variation is, so the organisms will survive in the different type of the environmental conditions. So that will help to organism to survive in a different or changing environment. So we can see the environment is going to change season by season. In summer we can see the temperature is very high, in the winter it's very less, and again in the rainy season we can see high temperature as well as the low temperature also. So like this the temperature is going to vary by the different seasons. So some organisms have the capacity to survive in only the cold regions, and some have the capacity to live in only the normal conditions or in the average temperature. So in these cases I will give you one example here. So that is very important regarding the examination point of view. So here suppose a bacteria produce two different individuals by the asexual reproduction. Again one of that offspring bacteria is actually getting the same characters with itself, and here we can see the two bacteria which are produced by the asexual reproduction, they have a maximum same characters and they don't have the variations, and here they don't have the capacity to live in the different regions. Suppose one young bacteria is going to die, or if it is not going to adjust in the same condition, so the one more young bacteria that is also not going to adjust in that temperature, because they don't have the different type of characters to survive. So they don't have the different characters to survive. So because they are produced by the asexual reproduction. In the asexual reproduction, we can't see the more variations in the species. So same kind of the characters are going to transferred by the parents to their young ones. But here in the sexual reproduction, the involvement of two parents takes place, so that will leads the formation of the variation. So here the great advantage is, so it increases the chance of the survival in the different kind of the environments. So the accumulation of the heat resistance, or it may be the accumulation of the water resistance, if the different kinds of resistance capacity will developed by the variations in the organisms, and it also helps in the formation of the new species. The variation helps in the formation of new species, and also it helps in the survival of the organisms in the changing environment or in the different kind of environments. So this is actually the importance or the accumulation of variations. So regarding this one, the Mendel's experiment and also the transformation of characters we will see in the next class. So try to read the concept. So this will be more this will has more and more theoretical part. Try to understand the concept, be in touch with the subject. Thank you and have a nice day.